Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best rivet guns on Amazon. Highly valued by construction workers and craftsmen, a rivet gun is a useful but often an overlooked addition to your toolkit. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Weddel's Rivet Nut Tool. The Weddel's Rivet Nut Tool is an inexpensive yet powerful device for any amateur or dealer. It features 7 interchangeable mandrels in different sizes, making it versatile and functional. Each mandrel is constructed out of chrome-plated steel, increasing its durability. Best of all, they are heat-treated to be more indestructible, and the arm is built out of 45 carbon steel for maximum efficiency. This design also protects it from rusting or corroding if it gets wet or is left out in the rain. You can also conveniently carry the rivet gun and its accessories in a sturdy and rugged carrying case. It works great on tough surfaces such as aluminum. While the rivet gun does include 7 mandrels, it isn't quite enough to tackle larger, more difficult projects. Professionals may want to steer clear of this rivet gun, while those who want to do some work around the house should be fine. Number 2. WorkPro 10-inch Heavy-Duty Rivet Gun. WorkPro's heavy-duty rivet gun is one of the cheapest devices we could find. However, don't let its low price turn you away, as it is one of the most popular rivet guns around. It is built with an infinite transmission that boosts its performance and power ratio up to 40 times, which makes it easier to use and less difficult for you. The body of the rivet gun is developed out of heat-treated carbon steel for strength. It also extends the lifespan of the tool, so you can keep it in the tool chest longer without swapping it out for a new one. It includes 5 interchangeable nose pieces that can be swapped out quickly and easily, plus 100 rivets. There have been complaints that the head of the rivet gun is too large, which can make it more difficult to fit into tighter spaces. And it is not built for experts or pros. It's a tool that fits perfectly at home in the garage or tool chest, but won't do a professional much good. Number 3. Anvil Rivet Nut Tool. The Anvil Rivet Nut Tool comes in a complete kit, providing you with everything you need for various projects. It includes 12 metric and SAE mandrels, covering a wide range of sizes from M3 to M12. This comprehensive selection ensures that you'll have the right mandrel size for different rivet nuts and applications. The toolkit also includes 120 rivet nuts, allowing you to get started right away. Crafted with premium materials, the Anvil Rivet Nut Tool is built to withstand heavy use and deliver long-lasting performance. The tool features a sturdy steel body that is resistant to corrosion and wear. Additionally, the mandrels are made from high-quality alloy steel, ensuring their durability and reliability. This robust construction guarantees that the tool will remain functional and reliable even after repeated use. The Anvil Rivet Nut Tool is designed with user convenience in mind. Its ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The tool's double compound hinges enhance leverage, allowing for effortless operation and reducing the force required to set rivet nuts. Number 4. Pneumatic Tool Rivet Gun. The Camtop Air Hydraulic Double Power Pop Rivet Gun is a powerful pneumatic tool designed for efficient and reliable riveting. With its versatile capabilities and robust construction, this rivet gun is an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Crafted with durability in mind, the Camtop Air Hydraulic Double Power Pop Rivet Gun features a sturdy and rugged design. Its high-quality aluminum alloy body provides strength and resistance to withstand heavy use and demanding work environments. This ensures that the tool remains reliable and functional even after prolonged usage, making it a reliable long-term investment. Number 5. Astro Pneumatic Tool PR14 Air Riveter. This riveter joins plastic or metal sheets together, allowing you to work more efficiently than you would if you were using a MIG welder. It has a high level of pulling pressure. That, coupled with its compatibility with different rivet nuts, makes it an all-round riveter ideal for working on a myriad of projects. If you are a tradesperson looking for a powerful and versatile rivet gun with different nose pieces, this may be the right tool for you. It works quickly and can install rivets at different angles, which is why it is a favorite among dealers and seasoned professionals. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.